How to make a public profile on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can make a public profile on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To make a public profile on Snapchat, open up the Snapchat application, then tap the Bitmoji avatar from the top left of the screen as you can find it here. Then once you tap the Bitmoji avatar, tap the gear icon from the top right hand side. Once you tap the gear icon right under this, scroll down. Right over here, of course, who can contact you, set this to everyone. Who can use your Bitmoji avatar, set this to the maximum privacy possible, like everyone or friends or anything as such. Once you've done that, when you come back to this page over here, you'll find this option called create public profile. The reason I was telling you to do that previous steps is that if you hadn't done that, you would not find this option here known as create public profile. So make sure to just select this option here, and now you can simply go ahead and tap the get started option, tap on the create button, and your public profile will get successfully created on Snapchat. This way you'll be able to create a public profile. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.